review this by Lowe's. It's a Naturae Boxwood 20x20 Foliage panel. It's a 4-piece. It's a hedge grass wall. It's used as a black drop, indoor or outdoor, on fences. You match the fasteners with the holes and you click it in. And that's how you bond them together. There's the fastener, there's the holes. You just flip it and click it in. It's a little hard to click in, but it'll click in. And it's sturdy once it clicks in. And you do the same thing at the top. Well, this is box foliage, and I have a set of 4. So we're going to put them on the fence and see how they look. I decided to put it on my cabin rails to see how it looks there. And this is the before. And this is during the process. And this is the completion. It is UV proof, so it won't fade in the sunlight. Know more about this product? Look in my description below this video.